overtaken her.
This curse have any symptoms you can tell us about?
The darkness is consuming her spirit. Also tentacles.
Tentacles? Oh. Tentacles.
Please just get it out of me. Please, girl.
All right. We'll do everything that we can. And you should close your eyes for this part. Little tug.
What is that?
Roundworm, by the looks of it.
Where'd it come from?
One more. Probably something that you ate.
It's impossible. I eat clean, all organic, from farm to table.
Clean and organic aren't always the same thing. Roundworm is transmitted through feces. Nancy, barf bag.
Get it all out.
She must have aspirated some of the material. Her airway's blocked. Nancy, grab me the C-duct.
Copy.
Go.